evening, everyone. What a pleasure to be in front of such an august audience. On entire family of High Vision Foundation, I am honored to welcome each one of you for this unique Threads of Hope Education Summit 2025. At High Vision Foundation, we firmly believe that every child not only has a right to education, but that's a lifeline in today's modern world. Since inception of High Vision Foundation 2022, we have been adopting children from underprivileged families, from government schools, trust schools, who have some merit, and we are adopting them for critical period of 5 years after they pass 10th standard. The idea is not just to extend financial support. Our mission, our intentions are much more deeper, much more elaborate. We try to groom each adopted child for the future success. And how do you do that? We groom them by various structured, integrated activities by professional organizations, like career counseling, enabling each child to adopt, to decide a future career, by improving their communication skills, by motivating them, by organizing various personality development programs. And not only this, so far all the adopted or sponsored children were taken to different organizations like King's Hospital, Google, Deloitte, Brown Bakery, to give them practical exposure that what lies ahead for them, where are the opportunities. And we believe that just financial support is not enough. And this kind of deeper intentions will not only transform the life of a child, but will change the life of family and communities at large. Since inception, we have impacted 1,077 children. And believe me, High Vision Foundation, all the family has big intention, ambitious intention of adopting 10,000 children by 2035. Today's Threads of Hope evening is an invitation to each one of you to join this in noble mission. A mission of realigning philanthropy of education, connecting hearts, connecting families, institutions, organizations in a common thread. And thread which will be a thread of compassion, possibilities, purpose and action. Today we are so thrilled and honored to have two remarkable women celebrities amongst us, Miss Dia Mirza and Miss Sushmita Sen. We all know that their voices, their actions and their examples inspire millions of people across India and even abroad outside India. Both of them, we are so honored to have you here for lending us a very strong support in our mission. And I can assure you, on behalf of every member of High Vision Foundation family that your humility will inspire us to do much bigger things. Thank you so much once again. We are honored to welcome you. It is my privilege to welcome very distinguished and respected our panelists. You will have interaction, you will see our honored guests interacting with them. Mr. Viraj Malan, who is managing director and principal of Deloitte India. Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, you know, everybody knows him. Principal or Chief Secretary of Commerce, Industries and IT, Government of Telangana. Dr. B. Bhaskar Rao Boleneni. Dr. B. Bhaskar Rao Boleneni, he is not only a renowned cardiac surgeon, but he is also a remarkable entrepreneur and chairman and managing director of KIMS Group of Hospitals. You will not believe that in 2022, when we proposed him the idea of starting a High Vision Foundation, he believed in us and voluntarily came forward to sponsor 100 students for 5 years. That worked as a booster for High Vision Foundation. Then we have Mrs. Rekha Srinivasan, Chief Executive Officer of United Way of Hyderabad. Mrs. Tara Menon, Global Head of Alumni Relations of prestigious Aga Khan Academy. Each one of these panelists, believe me, are trendsetters, role models, and each one can shape the future of education, commerce, governance, and society, community welfare. I am delighted, honored to welcome each of them. Okay, I'll finish quickly, I won't take you much time. It is a privilege to welcome our sponsors and partners, Times of India. Without their help and expertise, this event would not have been possible. I'm sorry, I have to leave because there are more pressing this and maybe I can interact later. Okay, thank you so much.